Hello students, मैं BL Sharma, Maths. In continuation of chapter statistics of class 10th mathematics, today we are discussing part 4. In this part 4, we will be discussing direct method for calculating the mean of the given data. Please also watch part 1, part 2, and part 3. Right. The weightage of this chapter in term 2 is 8 marks out of 40 marks. So it becomes 20%. So if you do statistics for the term 2, it means you gain 20% marks. Right. So without wasting the time, this is short answer type questions, 2 marks questions, and the questions are on your screen. Question number 1, find the mean of the following distribution. Classes are given and their corresponding frequencies are given. So for that for this what we do, we write here class as it is given 3 to 5, 5 to 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11, and 11 to 13. Corresponding frequencies given 5, 10, 10, 7, 8. So 5, 10, 10, 7, and 8. It is already given in the question, but now we also have to draw one more column, that is xi. Xi stands for class mark. Class mark means mid value of the class. So first class is 3 to 5. So add lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Lower limit is 3, upper limit is 5. Add these two, means lower limit and upper limit, and divide by 2. That is 8 by 2. This is 4. So write here 4. For the next class, add 5 plus 7 divided by 2. So that is 12 divided by 2. This is 6. Next class, 7 to 9. 7 plus 9 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2. That is 8. Next class is 9 plus 11 divided by 2, 20 divided by 2, this is 10. And the last class is 11 to 13, so lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, so that is 24 divided by 2, and this is 12. Next column will be of Fi into xi, means multiply the frequency with the corresponding class mark, means 5 into 4, this is 20. 10 into 6, 10 6 are 60. 10 into 8, 10 8 are 80. 7 into 10, this is 70. 12 8 are 96. Please keep a notebook with you and do with me. Most of the students do mistake in calculating, right? So I think after completion of this, we have to add all the frequencies. So 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 7, 32 plus 8, this is 40. 20 plus 60 plus 80 plus 70 plus 96. This is 326. Now we apply the formula for the mean for the direct method. The formula for the mean, its symbol is x bar. That is sum of all f and x divided by sum of all f. Sum of all fx is given by 326 and sum of all fi, it is 40. So please divide 326 by 40. divide yourself. 326 by 40 will be 8.15. So what is the mean of the given data? 8.15 is the answer. This method is said to be direct method for calculating the mean of the given data. Please pause here for some time, and if this question is clear, then we go for the next question. Right, students? So can we go for the next question? So yes, the next question is on your screen. The same question. In this question, find the mean of the following data. Again, classes are given and frequency is also given. So same process we have to adopt here. Write first class and their corresponding frequencies and their corresponding class mark and then fi into xi. ये सारे कॉलम हमें पहले ही बना लेने हैं जो हमने पहले ये फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बना रखे थे. देखिएगा क्लास दैट इज fi then xi then fi into xi. सारे क्वेश्चन में जिनमें डायरेक्ट मेथड यूज करना है ये कॉलम हमें पहले बना लेने चाहिए. दैट इज 1 2 3 then 3 to 5, then 5 to 7, then 7 to 9. It is already given in the question. And the corresponding frequency is given 12. This is 12, then 22, then 27, and then 19. Then xi stand for the class mark, means mid value of the classes we have to write. यहाँ पे हमें lower limit plus upper limit divide by 2 करना है. देखिए what is the lower limit of the first class? 1 plus 3 divided by 2, so 4 by 2, that is 2. For the second class, lower limit is 3 plus upper limit is 5 divided by 2, so 8 by 2, that is 4. If you do directly, then 5 plus 7 divided by 2, so that is 12 divided by 2, this is 6. And 7 plus 9 divided by 2, that is 16 divided by 2, this is 8. So इस तरह से हमें xi means class mark find out करना है. What is class mark? Mid value of the class is said to be class mark. Now, in next column, fi into xi means multiply frequency with the corresponding class mark. Frequency को उसकी corresponding class mark से multiply करेगा. देखिए 12 into 2, that is 24, right? And next is 22 into 4, this is 88. Then 27 into 6, that is 162. Then 8 into 19 or 19 into 8, that is 152. Next task is add all frequencies and add all f into x. Right. So please do with me. मुझसे पहले ही आप करने की कोशिश करें. When you read, when you watch this video, please keep a notebook with you, pen with you, and calculate with me. Sum of all frequencies here is 12 plus 22 plus 27 plus 19. This is 60. And summation means sum or addition of all f and x means fi xi means 24 plus 88 plus 162 plus 152, that is 426. Now please memorize the formula for the mean. So that is x bar. This is the symbol for the mean. The formula is sum of all f and x and divided by all f frequencies. that is 426 upon 60. Please calculate now yourself. 426 by, sorry, this is I think again I have to add 12 plus 22 plus 27 plus 19. Sorry, sir. Sorry, students. This is not means 60. This is 80. So you also have to divide this by 80. So divide by 80. So 426 by 80, that is 5.325 answer. Please, you don't do mistake in addition. Again, you have to add the frequency and FIXI twice. 12 plus 22 plus 27 plus 19, that is 80. So I think now the answer is very much clear to you. So the mean of the given observation is 5.325. Okay, this is the answer of this question number 2. We are doing means, we are calculating mean here using the direct method. The formula for the direct method is this: x bar is the symbol of the mean. So mean of the given observation is sum of all f and x divided by sum of all f, means sum of all frequencies. If this question is clear to you, we can go for the next question. And the question is same. Before I do, please you also draw the table in your copy. Okay. So find the mean of the given distribution by direct method. Here method is also given. So same way, that is class 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, and 41 to 50. Student, the class interval is not continuous. Means the upper limit of the first class is not the lower limit of the second class, but it does not affect the mean. अगर ये मोड और मीडियन होता तो हमें इसको कंटिन्यू करना पड़ता, कंटिन्यूअस बनाना पड़ता, लेकिन मीन के लिए इसकी जरूरत हमें नहीं है. What is the frequency, give a corresponding frequency? That is 3, then this is 4, then this is 2, 5, and 6. And what is the sum of all frequencies? 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6, that is 20. Next column is class mark. Next column is the product of frequency with the corresponding class mark. So class mark is the, what is the mid value of the first class? 0 plus 10 means lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2, that is 5. Then 11 plus 20 divided by 2, that is I think 31 divided by 2, that is 15.5. So we can write here 15.5. Now 21 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 51 by 2, and 51 by 2 is 25.5. And next is 31 plus 40 divided by 2, that is 71 divided by 2, that is 35.5. So that this is 35.5. And next is 41 plus 50 divided by 2, that is 91 divided by 2, that is 45.5. तो ये हमारा क्लास मार्क हो गया, जिसको हम XI से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. Now, next column is multiply the frequency with the corresponding class mark. So first is 3 into 5, that is 50. Then 4 into 15.5, multiply student, 4 को 15.5 से multiply करेगा, that will be 62. Then multiply 2 into 25.5, that will be 51. Then next multiply 5 with the corresponding class mark, that is 35.5. It will give us 177.5. Next is multiply 6 with the corresponding class mark, means 6 into 45.5. It will give us 273, right, 0.0. Now, after getting all the fi, xi, what is their sum? In सबका आप sum करिए. Sum means 15 plus 62 plus 51 plus 177.5 plus 273. Its sum is 578.5. And now, after getting the sum of all frequencies and sum of all frequency into their class mark, means fx, use the formula for the mean. Right here, mean, its symbol is x bar, and formula is total fi into xi divided by sum of all frequencies, and it is 578.5 divided by 20. Please divide by 20 and get the answer. I am waiting for you for your answer. आपका answer correct होना चाहिए. Yes. So divide 578.5 by 20. It gives us 28.925. That is 28.925 answer. What is the mean here? The mean here is 28.925 answer. So student, I think now you have got the method, and this is the method for calculating the mean using the direct method. पहले उसका क्लास मार्क मीन्स एक्स आई फाइंड आउट करिए, फिर एफ और एक्स को कोरेस्पॉन्डिंग एफ एक्स को मल्टीप्लाई करिए, सारे फ्रीक्वेंसी का एडिशन फाइंड आउट करिए, उसको एफ आई मीन्स यू राइट लाइक दिस, and then find the sum of all, means f I into xi, 15, 62, 51, 177.5, 273.5, और जो भी सम आता है, use the formula for the mean, sum of all fx divided by sum of all f, and as soon you divide and get the answer, this will be the mean of the given data, and this method is said to be the direct method. If you have got this, then we go for the next question. The same method we have to also use here, the direct, means the direct method, though it is not given that by which method you have to find out. In next video, we shall be discussing how to calculate the mean by assumed mean method. एक बार में मैं यही method ले रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसमें थोड़ा सा महारत हासिल कर लें, थोड़ा स्किल्ड हो जाएं, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं डिस्कस करूंगा आपसे कि कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं मीन यूजिंग assumed mean method. So I'm doing now directly, that is class, right here class, and then its frequency, then class mark, then fi xi. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया हो तो पहले से ही ये 4 कॉलम आप बना लीजिएगा. 0 to 6, 6 to 12, 12 to 18, 18 to 24, 24 to 13. ये पहले से ही दे रखा है, देखिए क्लास में, देखिए इसमें कुछ हमने कोई बड़ी बात नहीं की है. What is the frequency? It is given 7. then 5, then 10, then 12, then 2. What is their sum? Total sum of all frequency is equal to, yes, please find out the sum yourself. अब अपने आप इसका sum find out करिए please. What is the sum? The sum is 7 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 2, that is 36. Now we come to the class mark. 0 plus 6 divided by 2, that is 3. 6 plus 12, 18 divided by 2, that is 9. 12 plus 18, that is 30 divided by 2, this will be 15. 18 plus 24, that is 42 divided by 2, this will be 21. And 24 plus 30, that is 54 divided by 2, that is 27. नेक्स्ट कॉलम हमने लिखा है f इंटू एक्स, मीन्स फ्रीक्वेंसी को कोरस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास मार्क से मल्टीप्लाई करिए. 7 3 जा, दिस इज 7 इंटू 3, 7 3 जा 21. And 5 into 9, 5 9 ja 45. Then 15 10 ja 150. Then 21 12 ja 252. Then 27 into 2, that is 54. स्टूडेंट आप थोड़ा सा रफ वर्क यूज करिएगा और सेपरेटली मल्टीप्लाई करिएगा. अगर आप डायरेक्टली करते हैं तो आपसे मिस्टेक हो सकता है, और मिस्टेक होने का मतलब हुआ कि आपके 0 मार्क आ सकता है. नाउ प्लीज ऐड केयरफुली, टेक सम टाइम फॉर एडिशन. हाँ, जल्दबाजी में एडिशन ना करें, क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट डू देयर एडिशन रॉन्ग कर लेते हैं आप जल्दबाजी की वजह से. प्लीज डू इट स्लोली, do wisely. So 21 plus 45 plus 150 plus 252 plus 54, their sum is 522. Now use the formula for the direct mean, use the formula for the mean, and I think you have the formula for the mean. That is, please revise yourself. आप खुद एक बार अपना फॉर्मूला लिखिए और मुझसे पहले आप करने की कोशिश करें. दैट इज मीन, इट्स सिंबल इज एक्स बार, दैट इज एफ आई एक्स आई डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल एफ आई, so that is 522 by 36. देखिए, please do yourself, take some time for dividing. Please divide 522 by 36. What is the answer here? The answer is 14.5. So what is the mean of the given data? That is 14.5, and this is the answer of the given question. So mean of the data, given data, is 14.5, and this is the answer of this question. Yes, इसमें इस मेथड को, जो टोटल एफ आई एक्स आई अपॉन टोटल एफ आई है, ये सिग्मा का साइन है, ये एडिशन का साइन है. तो जैसे ही आप डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको मीन मिल जाएगा. एवरेज को ही मीन कहते हैं. If this question is clear to you, in this video we shall also be discussing 2 more questions. 2 questions हमें इसमें और करने हैं. Okay. If it is clear to you, can we go for the next question? And the next question is on your screen. Yes. Find the value of P if the mean of the following distribution is 7.5. ये देखिए, simple question है. ये कैसे करें? Here the class mark is already given. The class mark means xi is given, fi is given, then we have to find fi xi. So that is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Corresponding frequency is 6 and 8, 15, P, 8 and 4. And we know next term क्या था हमें fi into xi means 3 into 6 that is 18. 5 into 8, what is 8 fives are? 8 fives are 40. Then 7 into 15, 15 sevens are 105. Here 9 into p, you write only 9p. 11 into 8, 11 8s are 88. And 13 into 4, 13 4s are 52. What is the sum here, the students? Because for calculating the mean, here you will observe that mean is also given. Mean is already given. What is the mean here? Mean is given, and that is 7.5, and we have to calculate the value of p. So for that, the same method. What is the means sum of all frequencies means what is sum of all frequencies? So 6 plus 8 plus 15 plus 8 plus 4, that is 41 plus this p as it is. So what is sum of all frequencies? That is 41 plus p. And what is the sum of all the product of frequency and their corresponding class mark? That is 18 plus 40 plus 105 plus 88 plus 52. ये हमारा अलग से ऐड होगा 90. So that is 303 plus 9p. ये हमारा जो सम आ गया है. And now we have to use the formula for this. We know that formula for the mean is, we have the formula here. Yes, mean is already given 7.5. Mean is equal to total of fi xi upon total of fi. What is mean? That is 7.5, and this is 303 plus 9p. And what is sum of all frequencies? That is 41 plus p. Can you multiply further? Now we can multiply here by cross multiplication. 7.5 into 41 plus p, that is 303 plus 9p. 7.5 into 41, that is 307.5 plus 7.5p, that is 303 plus 9p. So further, 307.5 minus 303 is equal to 9p minus 7.5p. On further calculation, we have, yes, please you calculate now yourself. That is 1.5p, that is 4.5. So p is equal to 4.5 upon 1.5, that is 3. Answer. So what is the value of p here? It is 3. So using this method, putting the values, we get the value of p here, right? So this is the way of calculating the value of p, means calculating frequency. If mean is given, sometime mean is given, then we are asked to find out the missing frequency. कई बार हमें mean दे रखा होता है और ये पूछा जाता है कि missing frequency यहाँ पे क्या होगी. वो सेम मेथड है. टोटल ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालें, टोटल ऑफ एफ आई एक्स आई निकालें. तो मीन का फॉर्मूला आप ये यूज करें, वैल्यूज को पुट करें और आंसर आप निकाल सकते हैं. देन Please keep a notebook and pen with you. Calculate wisely. Yes, बिना मिस्टेक के आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, बहुत स्लोली कैलकुलेट करना है. छोटी सी मिस्टेक आपको 0 मार्क पे ला सकती है. यस, तो आप इस वीडियो को थोड़ा पॉज करें, दोबारा इस क्वेश्चन को करें, दोबारा आंसर को आपको मैच करना चाहिए. एंड नाउ द नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, and this question is find the question number 6. Find the mean age in years from the frequency distribution given below. Here students, the same way आप अपने आप स्टार्ट इसका हो जाइए. मैं तो आपको बताने ही वाला हूं, लेकिन आपको खुद को भी इसको करना चाहिए. राइट, देखिएगा. ओके, so first of all we write here the class. जैसे हम सारे क्वेश्चंस में कर दिए आ ही रहे हैं. देखिए 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, 50 to 54, 55 to 59. हमें वो कॉलम बना लेने हैं, एक एफ आई का और एक क्लास मार्क का और एक एफ आई इंटू एक्स आई का. The corresponding frequency is already given in the table, that is 4 and 14 and 22. This is 16, this is 6, this is 5, and this is 3. What is the class mark? The 25 lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. Please write here. What is the class mark here? The class mark will be 27. The class mark will be of the second class 30 plus 34, that is 64 divided by 2. This is 32. That is 35 plus 39, that is 74 divided by 2, that is 37. Similarly, this will be 42, then will be 47, then will be 52, and then will be 57. What is the sum of all frequencies? That is 4 plus 14 plus 22 plus 16 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3, that is 70. आपको दोबारा इसको ऐड करना चाहिए क्योंकि कई बार मुझसे मिस्टेक हो जाता है. Then multiply the fi into xi for this column. 27 into 4, that is 108. 32 into 14, that is 448. 37 into 22, 37 into 22, please multiply, that is 814. 42 into 16, that is 672. 47 into 6, that is 282. Then 52 into 5, this is 260. And 57 into 3, that is 171. Then find their sum. What is their sum? Please add carefully. I am giving you 1 minute for addition of total fi into xi. आप add करिए, तब तक मैं भी add करता हूँ. आपसे कोई गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. अगर आप इसको ढंग से ऐड करें तो इसका मतलब है आपको ये क्वेश्चंस आ चुके, इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस. 108 plus 448 plus 814 plus 672 plus 282 plus 260 plus 171, that is 2755. Now you use the formula for the mean of the given data. What is the formula? We know the formula. Mean is equal to sum of all Fi, sum of all frequencies, that is 2755 upon 70. आप इसको फिर से डिवाइड करिए, बहुत स्पीडली डिवाइड करिए, लेकिन केयरफुली डिवाइड करिए, आपका आंसर क्या आने वाला देखिएगा. Yes, I'm also dividing 2755 by 70, that will be 39.35. So that will be the mean of the given observation. आप खुद मल्टीप्लाई करिए, तब तक इस वीडियो को पॉज रखिएगा, और जब आपका आंसर करेक्ट आ जाए तो इसको चेक करिएगा. क्वेश्चन में क्या था? व्हाट इज द मीन एज? सो प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट राइटिंग द आंसर स्टेटमेंट. देयरफॉर राइट द मीन एज इज इक्वल टू 39.35 years answer. So that's all for this question. Thanks. Please keep watching. Next जो वीडियो होगा उसके अंदर हम आपको डिस्कस करेंगे the assumed mean method for calculating the mean of the given data. So till that time, thank you, students.